It's tangle time. This is a Tangle Called Crazy in Zeppel. We begin with 4 dots, a border, ink the border, and then draw lines all over the place as crazy as you want them to be. And then right now I'm going to trace this area, but every time there's a corner, I'm going to round it. And I'm going to go over that inked line, round the corner, just like I'm doing now, re-ink the line, round the corner, and then re-ink the line again. I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to round the corner, re-ink the line, round the corner, ink the line, round the corner, and ink the line. Now, I always start my tangles with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, my life, all the things that I have. I find it a great time to set intentions, take deep breaths, breathe in everything that's good, exhale all the things that I don't need at the point where I'm tangling. For me, this is self-care. This is my meditation. It's my stress relief. And this one is so fun. So one of the things that's very important about this tangle to make what people tend to call in my lives the cobblestone tangle is to re-ink each line as you go around. It really defines each cobblestone. And then when I shade it, I run the side of the pencil right down each long line using the side of the pencil, and then I blend it with a tortillon, which is what I'm using. You can use any blending tool, any pen, any paper, any blending tool, any pencil. And then I add a little bit of shading to each of the cobblestones. Shading is all up to you. I go much more in depth into shading in my Zoom classes, which the link to my Zoom classes is in my bio at my website. And you click on Zentangle class and you can sign up for the Zentangle classes, which I have every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Time. This is a Micron 01 pen. It is my favorite pen. I primarily use this pen in all of my tangles, and I'm going to make some cracks in the cobblestones. It's very important when you do this that you're very light with the pen, and this is one of the most meditative things that I do in tangling is making these little imperfections in each stone, just as we all are very imperfect. And it just brings all of it together. So please check out my website for Zentangle class sign up. Check out my Etsy shop. Many of my tangles I make as stickers. And I hope to see you at the next live. Make sure you set your notifications to see when I'm live.